We've all been there. The moment when everything seems to be running smoothly and then, out of nowhere, disaster strikes. The heart of your operation, a crucial machine, suddenly goes silent. The rhythmic hum of productivity is replaced by an eerie stillness. Warning lights flash, alarms blare, and the air fills with the acrid smell of burning metal. It's a scene of chaos and confusion. Production screeches to a halt. Workers stand by helpless as the clock ticks and deadlines loom. The culprit? Often, it's a simple lack of lubrication, a small oversight with massive consequences. The fear of many maintenance professionals at the beginning of the TPM journey: untrained, non-technical operators taking over the critical task of lubrication. Now imagine a different scenario, a world where such disruptions are a thing of the past. Imagine your operators armed with the knowledge and skills to keep those machines humming. They know exactly what to do and when to do it. Imagine a 70% reduction in defects just from mastering the art of lubrication. The difference is night and day. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. This is the reality for many who have embraced proactive maintenance. That's the power of effective total productive maintenance, or TPM, when TPM is done right, not expedited without care to adequate operator training. Because improper lubrication can wreak havoc on your equipment, causing increased wear, overheating, contamination, and even catastrophic failure. The stakes couldn't be higher. That's why Phase 1, Step 3 is so important. It lays the foundation by preparing operators to take over lubrication, showing them just how critical their role is and the devastating impact of getting it wrong. And the best part? You don't need a PhD in engineering to make it work. With the right training and mindset, anyone can contribute to a more efficient and reliable production process. Training sessions can equip your team with the necessary skills. They learn about the importance of lubrication, how to identify potential issues before they become major problems, and the best practices for maintaining machinery. Regular checks and routine maintenance become second nature. Operators take pride in their work, knowing that their efforts are crucial to the smooth running of the entire operation. The result? A bustling factory floor, machines running smoothly, and products being efficiently produced. Downtime is minimized and productivity soars. Management can see the difference in the performance metrics. Charts show improved productivity and reduced defects, translating to higher profits and a more competitive edge in the market. There's a sense of teamwork and accomplishment. Everyone knows they play a vital role in the success of the operation. Celebrating milestones becomes a regular occurrence. Each achievement is a testament to the power of proactive maintenance and the dedication of the team. Even as the day ends, the factory continues to hum with activity. The lights stay on and the machines keep running thanks to the collective effort of everyone involved. So, the next time you hear the hum of a well-oiled machine, remember the importance of lubrication and proactive maintenance. It's the key to keeping your operation running smoothly and efficiently. And with a team that's knowledgeable and proactive, you can face any challenge head-on, ensuring that your machines never grind to a halt again. TPM is all about teamwork, a collaborative effort that brings everyone together with a common goal. It's about everyone taking ownership of keeping those machines running smoothly, ensuring that every cog in the wheel is well-oiled and functioning. It's about empowering operators, the folks on the front lines, to become the first line of defense against breakdowns. These are the people who interact with the machinery daily, and their insights are invaluable. Think of it like this. Who knows those machines better than the people who run them every day? Their hands-on experience makes them the best candidates to identify and address issues before they escalate. With the right training and support, operators can spot potential problems before they become major headaches. Training sessions equip them with the skills needed to perform routine maintenance and minor repairs. They become the grease that keeps the wheels turning, literally. Regular maintenance tasks, like lubrication, can prevent wear and tear, extending the lifespan of the equipment. And the benefits go beyond just reducing downtime. TPM can boost productivity, improve product quality, and streamline operations. When machines run efficiently, production schedules are met and output increases. It also creates a safer work environment. Regular maintenance and inspections can prevent accidents, ensuring that safety protocols are always followed. It's a win-win for everyone. Operators feel valued and empowered, leading to higher job satisfaction and morale. When everyone works together towards a common goal, the entire organization thrives. Managers and operators alike benefit from the reduced stress of unexpected breakdowns and the smooth operation of daily tasks. This collaborative approach fosters a sense of community and shared responsibility. In the long run, TPM can also pave the way for the adoption of advanced technologies and innovations, further enhancing efficiency and productivity. By maintaining a proactive stance, companies can stay ahead of the curve. So, embrace TPM as your secret weapon against downtime. It's not just a maintenance strategy, it's a philosophy that can transform your workplace, making it more efficient, productive, and harmonious. Remember, when everyone takes ownership and works together, the possibilities are endless. Let's keep those machines running and the productivity soaring. Now, let's talk about lubrication. It might seem like a simple task, but trust me, it's the lifeblood of any machine. Get it wrong and you're looking at friction, wear and tear, overheating, and eventually a catastrophic failure. But get it right, and you've got a recipe for success. And that's where our operators come in. Phase 1, Step 3 of TPM focuses on giving operators the knowledge and skills to become lubrication masters. We're not talking about throwing them to the wolves here. We're talking about a systematic, hands-on approach that builds confidence and competence. Before we go any further, let's be crystal clear. Safety is paramount. We're not asking operators to tackle any task that could put them at risk. We're talking about empowering them to handle non-guarded external lubrication points. Think zerk fittings, oil reservoirs, manifold blocks, those accessible spots where lubrication is key. If it's internal, behind a guard, or requires specialized training, that's a job for the pros. Remember, we're building a culture of safety and responsibility, an educated workforce. We're giving operators the tools and knowledge to do their jobs effectively and safely. Section 5, Training Day. Knowledge is power. All right, let's talk training. This isn't about checking a box, it's about building a solid foundation. We need to make sure our operators understand the why behind lubrication. What does lubrication actually do? How does it reduce friction and wear? What happens when it's done wrong? We need to drive home the importance of their role, the impact they have on the big picture. But it's not just about lectures and PowerPoints. We're talking about practical, hands-on training that sticks. Section 6. Beta stations, knowledge transfer, fundamental skill development. Before operators begin lubrication training, invest in a lubrication beta station. Ensure the operator gets the proper training to be successful. The beta station serves as a training hub where operators can learn the basics, like how to pump lubricant into a zerk fitting, the different types of lubrication guns, the different types of bearings and their requirements, and the different types of lubrication systems. So, what is proper training? Proper training is systematic, practical, and measurable. It ensures operators understand the basics. Teach them what lubrication does, reducing friction, controlling wear, and protecting components from contaminants. Understand key properties of lubricants. Viscosity, lubricants' resistance to flow, impact of additives, thermal stability, water resistance, and compatibility. Understand the types of lubricants. Hydrodynamic lubrication creates a full film of lubricant that completely separates surfaces, ideal for high-speed, low-load applications. Boundary lubrication involves a thinner film, where surfaces may occasionally make contact, common under extreme pressure or low speeds. Mixed lubrication combines both hydrodynamic and boundary lubrication, depending on operating conditions. And elastohydrodynamic lubrication, or EHL, occurs under high pressure, where the lubricant film adapts to elastic deformation, commonly seen in rolling elements like bearings. Know the risks. Highlight what happens when lubrication is done incorrectly, such as increased downtime, overheating, or catastrophic equipment failure. Learn the tools. Familiarize them with lubrication tools, grease types, oil standards, and their correct applications. Can identify issues. Train them to recognize early warning signs of lubrication failure, such as leaks, noise, or unusual vibrations, and how to know when enough lubricant is enough. Section 7. Grease Monkey Masters hands-on training for the win. Show, don't just tell. That's the mantra of effective training. Get those operators out on the floor, working with the tools, getting their hands dirty with the right kind of grease, of course. Start with demonstrations. Show them how to identify lubrication points, how to choose the right lubricant, how to apply it correctly, how to ensure the lubrication is getting to the location it needs to be. Then, let them practice under the watchful eye of an experienced mentor. Remember, repetition builds confidence. The more they practice, the more comfortable and competent they'll become. Section 8, visualize success. A picture's worth 1,000 words. We're visual creatures, most of us. That's why visual aids are so powerful in training. Think color-coded lubrication charts, diagrams of machinery, even QR codes that link to quick how-to videos. The goal is to make the information clear, concise, and easy to digest. Remember those cheat sheets we used to make in school? Same idea here. Visual aids take the guesswork out of lubrication and help operators feel more confident in their abilities. Every asset involved in TPM should have its own lubrication map. In addition, every lubrication point should be clearly labeled with a unique ID. The ID acts as a visual control, ensuring the point is lubricated as per the established standards listed on the lubrication map and CILs, cleaning, inspection, and lubrication sheets. The CILs list all relevant details: the ID, number of pumps, lubrication type, frequency, and whether it's guarded or non-guarded. The lubrication map, CILs, OPLs, and CIL schedule all act as visual controls, ensuring the operator is performing the appropriate actions, safeguarding the equipment from improper lubrication. Section 9. Buddy up. Teamwork makes the dream work. There's no I in team. That's why the buddy system is so effective in training. Pair up new operators with seasoned veterans who can show them the ropes, answer questions, and provide guidance. It's about building a culture of support and mentorship. And let's face it, sometimes we learn best from our peers, from those who've been there, done that. The buddy system fosters a sense of camaraderie and shared responsibility. It's about looking out for each other and ensuring everyone succeeds. Section 10. The proof is in the pudding, measuring success and keeping it slick. So we've trained our operators, empowered them to take ownership of lubrication. This is a crucial step, but it's just the beginning. Training is the foundation upon which we build our success. It's about giving our team the knowledge and confidence to make informed decisions. Now what? We measure, we track, we analyze. This is where the rubber meets the road. We need to ensure that our training translates into real-world results. By using advanced tools and technology, we can monitor every aspect of our operations. Did we see a reduction in defects? How about downtime? These are critical metrics that tell us if we're on the right path. Reduced defects mean higher quality products, and less downtime means more productivity. Are we using less lubricant? Data doesn't lie. By analyzing our lubricant usage, we can identify patterns and make adjustments. Efficient lubrication not only saves costs, but also extends the life of our machinery. It tells us what's working and what needs tweaking. Continuous data analysis helps us fine-tune our processes. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. And remember, TPM is a continuous improvement process. Total productive maintenance is not a one-time effort. It's an ongoing journey where we constantly seek to improve. We're always looking for ways to do it better, smarter, more efficiently. Innovation and creativity are at the heart of TPM. Encouraging our team to brainstorm and implement new ideas keeps us ahead of the curve. By tracking our progress, celebrating successes, and learning from any hiccups along the way, we create a culture of excellence. Recognizing achievements boosts morale and motivates everyone to strive for more. We show our operators that their contributions matter, that they're making a real difference, that appreciation and recognition are powerful tools. When our team feels valued, they are more engaged and committed. And that, my friends, is how we build a well-oiled machine, both literally and figuratively. It's about creating a harmonious and efficient work environment where everyone plays a crucial role in our success. Together, we achieve greatness. If you have any questions, stories, or pro tips to share, we'd love to hear from you. Drop them in the comments below and join the conversation. Together, we can build a stronger, more successful autonomous maintenance community, one that empowers operators, enhances reliability, and drives results across our organizations. Let's learn from each other and create a foundation for success that we can all be proud of.